Hello friends and welcome back to my channel once again. That's Spicy C. So here today I would like to share with you wonderful pieces of clothing and tops that I purchased from apps like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra. So these are the various kinds of tops and kurtis that I found very affordable. Those were the price ranges between 3 to 400 or 2 to 300 only. So here we go. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to share and like, and also let me know your views and opinions. I'm always here to share you my thoughts, and also I'm available here to reply you anytime. I guess most of you must have posted comments on my videos and I reply them as quick as possible. That's when I find time. Otherwise, I'm a busy person, shopping and going for my work. That's a daily routine life, guys, and I do make time for you, so which is a hard thing as well. Depends on my shift and depends on my work that I do. So guys, I hope you like and share this video. Okay, so here we go with the shopping that I purchased from the apps. So this is a very beautiful set of kurta that I purchased from Flipkart. Okay, and this is a woman's kurta. I really love the piece and design of this light mint green color, and it's a floral type of design. And the thing is, this is, you can wear this in summer. It's a very light material with a floral embroidery, and the roses give it a good look. And you can wear this with your leggings or pajama pants, what do you say. This is a good to go kurta, and it's having a inner lining inside. So this is size XL. Okay, the back side is not having any floral print. It's a plain sided thin material net kind of cloth. So this is a very a professional kind of kurta that you can wear for your workplace. I'll show you the sleeves. This is long sleeves here, and it's a soft stitch that has a little floral print patch attached to it. And the neckline is awesome. Wow, it has got a smooth kind of pink roses on the neckline that gives this kurta the beautiful look, and also the floral print of pattern that flows down the full dress. I really love the rose print on this dress, guys, and it's a quick and easy one to purchase it. Next one to go, I have also purchased this top that I'm wearing from Amazon, and this is a formal wear kind of top. It's having a shine kind of silky material shine on it, but guys, this is very comfortable during my workplace and when I'm going anywhere for outing. So it has buttons in front with a V neckline, and it's a collar based, so you can wear this for the professional environment. And I really love the design pattern, the gathers that are on the shoulder print that makes this top quite interesting, and the shine, the grayish glow on this, and it has a self design pattern with a flower kind of design. I really love this top, guys. The next one to go, I purchased this a party top. Okay, so this is like a crop kind of top, and this is size XL, so it has a zip at the back. So I'll show you the front side. And this top is having an inner lining. That's why I wanted to show you from the back side. So this is the inner lining of the top, and this is the top material. So this is a poncho kind of top. And it's a sleeveless top. So this is how it looks like. I really love the pattern, the pleats of this top. This is a good to go design, a crop top that can go for your party and formal wear. And it's having a zip at the back, so you can zip it down and wear this top. And this is a very good, a very light material top where you can wear this for your workplace or anywhere that you go. The next one I would like to share with you. I love to go for a shop. So this is what the third top that I found from the apps. This is a very silky, smooth, short kurta kind of. It's in a box shape, okay, and it has garret print over here. I love the orange feel, and the way it is designed, the self design from the top to the bottom. This is an amazing kind of look, guys, like a butterfly piece top. So this is a good to go. I really love the silky smooth self design pattern, and also the orange knots at the side. This is how the back side looks like, and this is an amazing one to go. The next, last but not the least, this is a blackish kind of t-shirt that I purchased just to wear for a short get to go out. So this is a smooth cotton stretchable t-shirt that I found, and this you can wear for your daily wear. If you want to feel comfortable, you can wear this for your jogging, or you can wear for your workouts. So this is a easy good to go sweatshirt that I found it. A smooth cotton stretchable kind of top. The reason I purchased it because of the glitter on the neckline. The glitter on the neckline is amazing one with just one printed rose in the front. I really like this. Last one more to go. This is a dress that I purchased. It's in the leaf green color. I really love the pattern kind of dress. Wow, this is a dress that I purchased, and it has got a self-print flowery kind of material on the neckline, and this is a cotton material, and also it's a sleeveless dress with two pockets at the bottom, and it's a knee-length dress that makes this dress quite amazing. So these are the pockets, how it looks like. I really love this dress. This is just the front side, and this is the back side of it. Now the front piece of the dress has buttons below that gives a good look for the neckline if you want to go anywhere, like for to a beach or to any fun places, then you can wear this dress. This is a good to go dress, guys, but I really love this print. You should go wear this for any kind of outings when you're going for your fun outings, just to make you feel comfortable to a beach or anywhere. And guys, this is the last one that I'm showing you. This is a striped kind of leopard kind of top that I purchased, and this is, you can wear this at your workplace and for your daily wear. I really love, it's very light, stretchable kind of polyester material, and the sleeves are broad sleeves. Okay, it has no elastic, very light material. I love the front neckline that falls, and it has 3 beads in the front that makes this top quite amazing. Also it has a tie like kind of center. This falls in like a tie, and it has a good flow, and the back side is very simple, guys. So this is a very light black and white printed top that I purchased for my formal wear and also for my daily wear, which makes this top a good one. I really love this. So guys, this is what I really like sharing with you today. I hope you like it, and do check it on websites like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra. There are a lot of varieties on these prints. So take care, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.